Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sadia Education Wali. I'm student at Rahan College, Karangi campus. Currently, I'm enrolled in Teacher Training Bootcamp 1. So today we have a unique marketing wala, and today we will discuss about very interesting topic, motivation in the workplace and education. So my first question is, what does motivation really mean, and why is it so important in both education and the workplace?
Okay, thank you for having me. I am my opinion. Motivation is the driving force that encourages us to take action and stay committed to our goals in education. It inspires students to learn, grow, and develop new skills in the workplace. Motivation helps employees stay productive, creative, and focusing on achieving organized goals. Without motivation, even talented people might struggle to reach their full potential.
Okay, so thank you so much, Anik, for answering me. So the next question is, what is the difference between instant and extreme motivation?
Okay. Instructive motivation comes from within. It is driven by personal status function, closely, and a genius passion for living, for achieving something meaningful. External rewards such as salary, promotion, grades, or rejection, while both are available, invaluable motivation usually leads to long their success because it based to personal purpose rather than in temporary rewards.
Okay, so my third question is, how can students and stay motivated throughout their educational journey?
Okay, students should set clear goals, create a daily study routine, and break large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrating small achievement can also boost confidence. It is quality important to stay cursor, ask question and surrounded yourself with positive and supportive people who encourage your growth.
Okay, so Anik, what factor have the biggest impact on employee motivation in the workplace?
Okay. A positive work environment support leadership opportunity of career growth, fair recognition, and open communication all play significant roles when employees feel respect and appreciated. They naturally become more committed to their work and perform at their best.
Okay, so Anik, why is motivation especially important in the field of marketing?
Okay, marketing is a fast-changing industry that requires creativity, innovation, and continual learning. Motivated marketers and more willing to explore new ideas, understand customers' needs, and adapt to changing market trend. Motivation keeps creativity alive.
Okay, so what should someone do if they suddenly lose motivation?
Okay, the first step to identify the reason behind the loss of motivation. Sometimes people experience burnout, stress, or unpleasant experience. Take a short break, reflecting on your purpose, and creating a fresh plan can help rebuild motivation and restore focus.
Okay, so my next question is, how the teacher and manager influence motivation?
Okay, teachers and managers have a powerful influence because they guide, encourage, and inspire others by providing contribute feedback, recognize achievement, and uh, creating a support environment. They help students and employees become more confident and motivated.
Okay, so what do you think, does appreciation really increase motivation?
Okay, absolutely. A simple word of appreciated can make someone feel valued, recognized, boost confidence, increase job satisfaction, and encourage people to continue giving their best effort.
Okay, so the next question is how important is goal setting for staying motivated?
Okay, goals provide direction and purpose. They help people focus on what they want to achieve. Driving large goals into smaller milestones makes progress easier to ensure keeps motivation high throughout the journey.
Okay, so thank you so much for answering me. And the next question is how should people deal with failure without losing motivation?
Okay. A failure schedule be divided as a learning supported rather than an ending. Every successful person has experienced setbacks. Setbacks. The important thing is to analyze mistakes, learn from them, and continue moving forward with greater wisdom and determination.
Okay, so I think my next question is how does having a positive mindset support motivation?
Okay, a positive mindset allows people to focus on the solution instead of problem. It helps reduce stress, improve confidence, and encourage resilience during the difficult situation.
Okay, how do daily habits help maintain motivation?
Okay, healthy habits such as waking up early, exactly reading, planning the day, and maintaining consistency create discipline over time. Discipline becomes stronger than temporary motivation.
Okay, does social media increase or decrease motivation?
Okay, it depends on how it uses. Education and inspire content can motivate people to learn and improve hearts. Excuse excuse scrolling and comparing yourself with others can reduce confidence and become a major distraction.
Okay, what is burnout and how does it affect motivation?
Okay, burnout is a state of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged stress or overwork. It lowers energy, reduces productivity, and makes it difficult to stay motivation, rest, and self-care instead to recover.
Okay, so why is work-life balance important for motivation?
Okay, maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life reduces stresses and improve our well-being. When people have time to relax, spend time with family, and enjoy hobbies, they return to work feeling refreshed and motivated.
Okay, so how does teamwork improve motivation in education and the workplace?
Okay, teamwork creates a sense of belonging and support. It allows people to share ideas, solve problems together, and learn from each other. Experience a strong team often motivated individuals who perform better.
Okay, so how are AI and technology influencing motivation today?
Okay, AI and technology make many tasks faster and more different, allowing people to focus on creative and stage work. For allowers, they also require continuously learning, thus who embrace balanced technology stay motivated by developing new skills and staying relevant.
Are financial rewards enough to keep people motivated?
Okay, financial rewards are important because they positive security and recognize however long them. Motivation also depends on meaningful work opportunity to grow respect and sense to support.
Okay, so what is the relationship between confidence and motivation?
Okay, confidence and motivation support each other when people task action and achieve small success. Their confidence grow, increase confidence. The motivates them to ask on to bigger challenge.
Okay, so how can someone stay motivated while changing careers?
Okay, career transaction require partner and continue learning. People should focus on developing new skills, building a strong network, and staying committed to their long-term vision. Every new beginning comes with opportunity for growth.
Okay, Anik, what advice would you give to marketing student?
Okay, don't really only textbook gain practical experience through internship, personal project, and digital marketing tools. Improve your community skills, stay updated with industry trends, and never stop learning.
Thank you so much. So, what is the secret of maintaining long-term motivation?
Okay, the secret is having a clear vision, building consistent habits, maintaining a positive environment, and committing to lifelong learning. Motivation might come and go, but discipline helps you keep moving forward.
Okay, what advice would you give to people who constantly compare themselves with others?
Okay, everyone has a unique journey and different calculations. Instead of company yourself with our compare yourself with who were yesterday. Focus on your own progress, celebrate your growth, and continue improving every day.
Can you share a personal lesson about motivation that has influenced your life?
Okay, only listen I have learning is that success comes from consistency rather than talent alone. Small importance made every day create remarkable result over time. Challenge should never become excuse. They should become opportunities to grow stronger and wiser.
Okay, so Anik, my final question is what inspirational message would you like to share with students, teachers, and professionals?
Okay, my message is simple. Don't wait for motivation to appear before talking. Action start with small, consistent step, and motivation will grow us. Make progress. Believe in yourself. Continue learning, embrace a challenge, and never give up on your dream. Success is not about being performance. Uh, it is about staying committed, improving every day, and having the courage to keep moving forward no matter how difficult the journey becomes. I wish everywhere the very best in their education in and person lives.
Okay, thank you so much, Anik, for giving me your valuable insights, and thank you so much, everyone, for listening me and watching me. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much, Anik. Allah Hafiz.